Hi, my name is Bernardo from rftrials.com, and in today's video we are going to see how to create a Renderforest gaming intro. So if you want to start creating right away without even paying for anything, just go to rftrials.com or click the link below this video and you will be able to sign up for a free account. And you can sign up with your Facebook, Google account, or just your email. I like to use my Google account. So once you are there, or once you sign up with your Google account, you'll be prompted with this dashboard. If it's not selected the create video options, just come here and click, and then you'll be prompted with this menu. And what I like to do is come here to the search bar and write the type of video I want to make. So for example, if it's a gaming intro, I'll write gaming, click enter, and it will give me all the templates related to gaming. So the kind of intro that we want to make, we can make it with a logo. Maybe you already have a logo and you want to use it on your intro. Maybe you don't have any logo and you just want to type your phrase or the name of your YouTube or Twitch channel, and you can do that as well without any logo. So how do you know if which template has the logo or just the text option? You can come here to each template and you will play the preview. For example, here you will see that you will need the name of your channel in this case, and also the logo. You can also see here the duration of your intro. Maybe you want a 5-second intro, a 3-second intro, a 7-second intro, or a 10-second, whatever is the case, they will show you here. So you will need to get inside the preview page of each template. Let's go to the futuristic, 8 seconds, and you'll see here you'll probably need your logo because you have the logo here. If I sort by most popular and I choose the particle burst logo, you will see that this one does not have the logo option. So if you just want to write your text, that's fine. This would be a good option. Now let's go with the logo because I liked it's a more quality intro with the logo. And you can choose from football, the color, the fluorescent logo. You just have to go to the preview page and watch. Now I will choose the Starfield Universe logo. So maybe we will make this intro for a space related gaming channel. And you can also see here videos created from other users using this template. So 15 seconds. Let's create now. And now that we are here, we can put for our channel name, let's say Star Wars Maniac, something like that. And now you can add here your logo. So I'm actually going to Google and search for a logo. Let's say Star Wars logo. You should have your logo already with you. You can also come here to Renderforest and create a logo yourself. Very easy. So I will choose, maybe we need a high quality large size image. So I'm going here and sort this by large, and maybe I'll choose this one. So I'm going to download, save image as. This is a PNG. As you can see, it doesn't have any background. If you want to remove your background, just come to remove.bg and you just upload your picture or your logo and it will remove. It has an AI system that removes automatically your background, and you can download it with the PNG with Transparency already included. Very easy to do. In this case, I already have the PNG, so I'm going to save this image, and now I'm going to edit. So add, upload. Okay, let's confirm. Now let's go to style. And here you can choose the font. You will have to subscribe to one of the paid plans, but I think this is enough because this is a good font to use. Then you go to color. So here you have different color palettes. Let's see the yellow. Let's see the gray. Let's see the blue. You can choose any you want. Let's actually go with the blue. Or you can just use custom colors. Let's say you already have a brand, you already have a logo and a color palette within your brand. You can choose these colors to match your brand. Now let's choose the music. And in this case, they will give you the soundtracks matching the length of your video. So cinematic, electronic, cinematic, we have to choose something that matches the overall sense of the intro. So this has to do with the space and Star Wars, maybe a cinematic or electronic. We have this one, the infinite space. Let's preview. Inspiring. I like this one, the infinite space. Let's select this. And you are ready to render your logo. As you can see, it's very quickly, very swift. You can also add the voiceover, but for intros, I don't think this is good to add a voiceover because it's a very short clip. But if you want to do that, you can come here, upload your voiceover, just record it with any sound recorder for your operating system. I like to use Audacity. It's good for both Mac and Windows. And now we can come here to preview, click on free preview, and it will start creating the rendering the preview, so you see if it's everything okay, if you need to edit or change anything. Now I'll pause while this is rendering. It should take about 30 seconds because this is a very short clip, and I'll come back when it's finished. Okay, it says finished rendering, and now let's watch what we have done. Really cool, very high quality video. And now you can publish, but it will be in lower quality. You can publish to your YouTube, but you'll probably want to download the video file. You can also go to my videos and see your projects, because all the projects are saved automatically, and you can share to whatever social network you want. But in this case, you'll probably want to remove the watermark and download a high quality video, 1080p. So if you want to do that, just click on remove watermark. And then if you just want to make a single video intro, come to a single purchase, I would advise you to buy the highest quality, which is 1080p, because this, of course, you want the highest quality possible. If you, let's say you are within an agency and you work with clients, maybe you want to go with a subscription plan because you have to create several videos, and in this case you have the monthly and the yearly, and you can see here the amount of videos you can do with each of the plans. So the amateurs have an HD videos, Pro 20 per month, popular 60 or 30 1080p, and the agency it's unlimited. So you can buy the early, which is much more cheaper if you want to subscribe for the entire year. If you want the monthly, you can just use it and then shut down the account if you want. So this is the Renderforest gaming intro overview, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, if you want, go to rftrials.com or click in the link below the video, and you'll be able to create a free account and start making your Renderforest gaming intros. I'll see you in the next video.